Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can we easily delete your Roblox account permanently. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward any one of the web browser and go to Roblox. Then after, log in with your account details. Once logged in, at the top, when you see the www.roblox.com/home, remove the home and type support. You will be heading toward the report of Roblox. You can also directly go to a new tab and write Roblox support. In the results, at the top, you will see the same website. So you can use either method to go to the support of Roblox. Once in the support section, you will see a form. Provide your personal details, your first name, email address. Confirm the email address by entering the same so that the Roblox team can contact you. After that, now in the issue details, firstly choose your device. Click on please select. I'm using PC here, so I will choose that option. After that, the next question is type of help category. Now, we want to delete our account, so when you scroll below in this category, you will see the option of I want to delete my account. So simply choose that option. After you have chosen these options, in the description of the issue, simply write I want my data and my account to be deleted and all my information taken down from the platform. And once you write the description and submit your form with your personal detail, shortly the support team of Roblox will get in contact with you and then delete your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.